In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on multiple social media platforms at once using Zapier. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you're going to want to visit the Zapier homepage. Open your web browser and head over to Zapier.com. If you've never used Zapier before, this tool will help you automate tasks between different applications, making it a breeze to manage your social media. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Create button. This is usually pretty easy to spot. Clicking on that will take you to the section where you can start building your automated workflows, commonly referred to as Zaps. Next, choose Automated Workflows. This will allow you to set up a new Zap that lets you post across various social media platforms simultaneously. Now there's a part we need to set up called the trigger. This is what kicks off your automated action. Click on Trigger to get started. You'll notice a button that says Browse All. Click on that to see a list of applications you can use. We're going to search for Google Sheets. Why Google Sheets? Because we can use it as a way to input your post content that will then be shared across social media platforms. After searching for Google Sheets, click on it. Then, you'll be prompted to choose an event related to Google Sheets. Click on Choose an Event. Here, you want to select New Worksheet. So every time you add a new worksheet with content in Google Sheets, it will trigger your task. Next, it's time to set up the action, which is what will happen once that trigger is activated. Click on Action, and just as we did before, we're going to search for Instagram. Make sure to click on Instagram for Business. It's important to use this option as it allows you to publish properly on Instagram. After selecting Instagram, you'll click on Choose an Event again. This time, pick Publish Photos. This will be the step that allows your images to be posted on Instagram when you add them to your Google Sheets. Now let's add another step to our automation process. Click on Add Step, and once again we will search, this time for YouTube. Once you find YouTube, click on it. We're setting up a way to share videos as well. After that, just like before, you'll be prompted to choose an event. This time, select the Upload Video option. This will allow your automation to handle video uploads seamlessly. Finally, you will need to add your accounts. The first thing here is to click on Add Account and Sign In. This is essential for Zapier to make those connections to your Instagram and YouTube accounts, so be sure to follow the prompts and authenticate your accounts. And that's it. You're all set to post on multiple social media platforms at once. Now, every time you create a new worksheet in Google Sheets, it will trigger your content to publish on your Instagram and YouTube automatically. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial on using Zapier helpful for managing your social media posts. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and feel free to drop any questions you have in the comments below. Happy posting!